Okay, having just talked about how to use our pre-made collections to find new investing ideas for you, you can now create your own collections. I have to say we don't have the most powerful collections in terms of filtering and sorting, but it's actually quite handy to use if you want just something very basic. So just scroll down and go into create your own. And what you see here is a list of options, both in terms of sorting and filtering. So let's say now I'm interested in finding some companies listed in the US that is in the consumer and technology sector and whose momentum is ranking very high. How do I do that? Well, let's give it a try. Go into sort by and select momentum. And then go into country of exchange and select US. And then finally, sectors, pick consumer staples, consumer discretionaries, and information technology. Click apply filters, and there you go, this is your list. So on the top you can see the filters and the sort options you've applied. So once again, the filters are US listed, consumer staples, consumer discretionary, information technology are the three sectors you've selected, and you are sorting everything by momentum. And that sort by momentum corresponds to what you see here on the right hand side. That is momentum from number 1 to the bottom. What's also quite handy is that you can just unselect the filters and the sorts you've applied. So for example, right now I want to change the sort by from momentum to sort by all the options, that is all the factor rankings we have in our system. You can just unselect that. And right now the list changes to the three sectors which remain the same, the country of US which also remain the same, and right now the list is displayed by the average of quality, value, momentum, ESG, and dividend strength ranks. And to ensure that is the case, you can click into this filter icon on the upper right, and there you go. So using this way, you can play around our filters and sort by options and create your own collections.